Hello friends, today I will show you a few Figma shortcuts that will significantly speed up your design process. And the first shortcut is for Figma Auto Layout feature. If you have multiple objects of the same nature scattered around your workspace, you can select all of them and add them to Auto Layout using Shift A. I use Auto Layout a lot these days, so this is one of the most important shortcuts to remember. The next very useful shortcut is Shift X, and it swaps the fill and stroke color. Quick and useful. Now we are moving to another very cool shortcut, and it stands for copying and pasting the style of the object. You select something, press Command Option C, then you select the different object and press Command Option V. The style is applied to the second object. Very useful. The next important shortcut to learn is how to paste to replace something. So if you copy this star, select something and paste, nothing happens. The star pastes to the same place as it was before. But if you select the object and press Command Shift R, it replaces the object entirely. And what is cool about this shortcut is that you can select multiple objects, press Command Shift R, and it will replace all of them. Another useful shortcut is to display and hide the grid. Especially if you are doing a lot of web design, it's very useful to hide and show grid whenever you need it. And with this shortcut comes another very helpful one. When you're presenting something to someone via screen sharing, for example, sometimes it's needed to hide your Figma UI. And you can do it by pressing Command and left slash, like this. These simple keystrokes you should already learn by heart. O for ellipse, R for rectangle, L for creating a line, and another one also useful, Shift L for creating an arrow. But there are a couple of extra that can greatly speed up your design process, and those are for alignment. So we select two shapes, and if we press Alt S, it will align both layers to the bottom. If we press Alt W, it will align them to the top. Then Alt A for left alignment and Alt D for right alignment. There is also a nice keystroke combination to manipulate your layer's position in the stack of layers. So if we select something and we press Command left square bracket or right square bracket, the layer comes to the top or to the bottom of the stack. Another very helpful combination, especially if you are working with images, is flipping them horizontally and vertically. And for that we select an image and press Shift H to flip horizontally or Shift V to flip vertically. I hope you already know how to quickly create a text. It's T key. And a useful combination to increase or decrease the font size is Command Shift dot or Command Shift comma to decrease the font size. If you'd like to learn more shortcuts, you can always click the question icon in the bottom right of your screen and select keyboard shortcuts here. What's cool about this thing is that whatever you press, you immediately see it on your screen.